guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a couple of weeks since I did my last video, but we've been traveling, so this is the first time I've had to sit down and do a video. So today we are going to go over the add-ons I have for my summer FabFitFun box. I know we're a little late to the game because the add-on sale is already started for the summer editor's box, but you know, never late. Better late than never. I can't speak today. And you would think I would be able to because I'm constantly talking to my students. Alright, so if you're unfamiliar with FabFitFun, it is a quarterly subscription box that is $49.99 a quarter. That means you get a box every summer, fall, winter, and spring. The box usually adds up to a value of over $200. If you want to save a little money on that, you can go for a yearly subscription, which is about $179.99. You'll save about $20. With no further ado, let's say that. How about that? Let's get into what I got as an add-on. I cannot speak today. An add-on for my FabFitFun box. So I have already opened it, but I haven't unboxed it. I put stuff over here just to make it a little better than me leaning over to get stuff, which really, do you need an explanation? I guess really you don't. Okay, so the first thing we have is the everyday, let's see if I can focus here, everyday for every body resting beach face. This is the sunscreen serum. And let's open it up and take a little test on how it feels and what it smells like. So I am trying to have a little better skin regime. So you may notice that there is a little theme to the things that I got as add-ons this season. All right, so this feels really weightless and very nice. It has that kind of sunscreeny, beachy smell. But it's not really overpowering, and it's very, very thin and not oily at all, which we are leaving for the beach on Saturday. So that will be a nice addition to my beach regime. So the next thing I have is, let's see if we can do this again. There we go, maybe. Sorry about the glare. Skin and Lab. This is the C+ brightening serum. C+ brightening serum. There you go. And it says to apply this to your entire face after cleansing with special care paid to problematic areas. Cool. All right. It's supposed to add vitamin C. We all need a little vitamin C to our skin. So let's take another little look at this. Okay, so it does have a tab. Anyway, so might as well open it. This too, it's a little thicker than the resting beach face serum was. It too is very light, not very oily, just a little thicker, but not by very much. Again, doesn't leave a residue. And has a kind of a tropical, like, citrusy scent. So, yeah, I like that. So next up, again, I'm going to the beach on Saturday, so we're trying to get better skin routine, is the Kula Classic Sunscreen. Everyone is really familiar with this. This is a hot-selling item, usually. So I'm not even going to open this. You probably, if you're watching this, probably have this, and if not, check them out. They're really good. Next, I have from the Los Angeles area, well, it's made in Los Angeles, the Lifestyle Company. This is their 100% natural cleaning facial toner. So I love this company. They're all natural, and it's just a great company. I've used a couple of their different things. That feels really good, and I love it's a spray. That'll make it easier than just, you know, putting it on a cotton swab. And it says, after cleansing face, apply a moderate amount of toner on a cotton ball and then apply all over your face in an upward motion. Well, I guess you just put it on a cotton ball. You don't even spray it on your face, which would make sense because I'm a little out of it, apparently. Next up, we have the SPF RX C15 plus antioxidant serum. And this one says, and again, forgive me if I'm rambling because I don't have glasses on and I'm having problems reading tiny print. After facial cleansing, apply 4 to 5 drops to a dry face, neck, and chest for optimal results and sun protection. Follow with SPX. So yeah, we can try this, see what it kind of smells like. Alright. Of course it's glass. I don't want to get too much out. Has a very citrusy smell, and since I put something on the other hand last time, let's try and put a little drop of that on there. Very smooth going on. Really, after you put it on, there's not much of a scent, so I'll let you know how that turns out. I will do a check-in with all of these at another time, so you know if I'm liking them, if I'm not liking them, what my thoughts are on them. The next thing we are opening is the Dirty Lamb Tea Tree Wand, and that is a quick blemish relief. I believe it's a roller, and so you're just going to roll it on over problem areas, and it should at least take down the redness. Tea tree is really good about fighting that. And it says how to use: shake gently, roll applicator over problem areas. So again, the Dirty Lamb. And my final add-on for this summer box is the Urban Skin RX 3-in-1 treatment. It says it's a cleanser, exfoliator, and mask. And so the boxes did not come very well in this box. Like, I had stuff rolling around in the bottom, so I don't know. But anyway, so it comes with these little pads on it. It looks like this. Has like a very clean smell to it. I don't know really how to describe it, but it has a very clean smell to it. And it says that you massage onto face, rinse off. You can allow lather to remain on skin for up to 3 minutes and use as a treatment mask. Follow with recommended Skin RX toner. Alright, so I'm kind of excited. So again, we had the, if I can put it the right way, the Urban Skin RX 3-in-1 treatment. We got the Dirty Lamb Tea Tree Wand. We have the SPF RX C15 plus. Hopefully my camera will autocorrect there. And I'm sorry again, I am still getting used to where I need to look into this camera. Antioxidant serum. We have the, not that you can see it now, because again, my camera's doing something weird. And there's silence. I believe this is the Lifestyle Company Cleansing Facial. There we go, Lifestyle Company Cleansing Facial Clean Toner. Yay, there we go, auto. We've got the Skin Lab Vitamin C Plus Brightening Serum. The Resting Beach Face, not the other word, from Everyday for Everybody. And finally, again, our Kula, just our classic sunscreen, which will go with me to the beach this weekend. So that's it, guys. Thanks for joining me on this video. I know the content not so great. We're going to try and work out the kinks. And don't you just love my little llama chair? My desk is getting reupholstered. My desk chair is getting reupholstered. So we are going to be seeing llamas for a little while, at least until I can get that finished. So I hope all of you have a really good day, and we will see you next time. If you like my videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the little bell to let you know when I have posted new videos. I promise they will get better with content and with the technical difficulties. And let me know what in the comment section what you want to see, what you think I can improve upon. Would love to hear from you. Thanks, and you guys have an awesome day.